The Alpha is Chinese smartphone brand Nubia's idea of what a wearable smartphone, not a smartwatch, should be like. There's no round screen here. The Alpha has a 4-inch flexible OLED screen that extends over the sides of the wearable and down your wrist, giving you more screen and more information. It gives the Alpha a space age, in an 80s retro way, look, which in black is quite attractive if you like 80s sci-fi. There's a silver and a gold version, the latter of which will one day be worn by a robot version of Mr. T. It's big, masculine in the extreme, and not subtle in the slightest. But it is packed with features, with everything from an eSIM-based cellular connection to a camera and a heart rate sensor. The Alpha's control system is even quite space age. It's controlled by touch, of course, but Nubia wants you to use air gestures, where a sensor on the body recognises hand movements made over the top of the wearable, and with this it scrolls through the operating system. It's a great idea, but in practice the system was not reliable, and we couldn't quite nail the right speed, position or hand shape to make it work repeatedly, despite trying different models. And that's a problem for gesture control systems. It means usually that they're not very good. Nubia intends to launch the Alpha in North America by the end of the year, but it'll be out internationally before then, with prices starting at €450 or around $510. That's a tall order because it makes it more expensive than our current favourite smartwatch, the Apple Watch.